special report. Tallahassee, Florida. More than 200 bills covering topics spanning from immigration to gender identity became law in Florida on Saturday, July 1st. During legislative sessions and special sessions conducted throughout the year of 2023, the Florida legislature passed and Governor Ron DeSantis signed a number of bills pertaining to education, transgender healthcare, insurance, immigration, and other topics. Here is an overview of the more controversial legislation that went into effect on July 1st. Immigration. Senate Bill 1718 presses down on businesses that employ undocumented immigrants and provides $12 million for the migrant relocation program of Governor Ron DeSantis. On intake forms, hospitals that accept Medicaid must also inquire about a patient's immigration status, which critics say could discourage migrants from seeking care. Insurance company accountability. SB 7052 imposes additional restrictions on property insurance companies to increase their accountability for improper claims handling. Insurance providers will be subject to increased supervision and regulations, as well as increased penalties for any violations. Parental rights in education, expansion of Don't Say Gay. HB 1069 expands the so-called Don't Say Gay law to prohibit sexual orientation and gender identity instruction in all grade levels. Unrestricted carry. HB 543 lawful gun owners in Florida will no longer need training or a permit to carry concealed firearms. Pronouns. HB 1069 prohibits school personnel from inquiring about a student's preferred identifiers or discussing their own if it does not correspond to such person's sex. The law states, a person's sex is an immutable biological trait, and it is false to ascribe to a person a sex other than their own. Bathrooms. HB 1521 makes it a crime for a person to use a restroom designated for the opposing sex to which they were assigned at birth, a pronoun that does not correspond to the sex of that individual. That is all for now. Follow us for more news about Florida.